Hey guys, finally we are already check-in and already inside here in the airport waiting our airplane to fly with my son back to Philippines, and now we are in KKIE airport.
Only me and my mom, my teacher and daddy are just still going home.
Yes,
We just saw
me and
them.
Gavin only travel this time. So
Mom,
finally, Evan exists ang...
Mom, use that.
Yes, come. Evan, no, does not work. Never mind, does not work.
Oh, why bother?
Even yung namin, yung aming hand carry baggage. Extra po yung backpack namin. Hindi na nakasama. Hindi na namin tinimbang guys kasi hindi naman masyadong strict dito.
Beatrice there.
Sa Kota Kinabalu. Yung Manila lang talaga ang sobrang stricto.
Mom, it's right there.
Yes. Ang bata guys, ang dami niyang tanong. Sabi niya, bakit daw yung una niyang fly daw na nagsakay siya ng eroplano, bakit daw walang passport? Sabi ko kasi nag-fly ka last time sa Malaysia lang din. So pag magamit ka ng passport, kailangan international. Kaya yun. Hi Gab, here Gab.
Mom, when did you plan to go to the airport?
Huh?
The time when you want to go back. When? Mom, you already passed.
Oh yeah. Gate still closed.
It's still closed.
This is the gate 3. Here we're gonna sit here.
We just sit there.
We're gonna sit here. Dito na kami sa gate 3 guys. Sa B3. This is the B3 gate. Going to airplane, right? Going to airplane later. Okay, thank you. No waiting area here. Walang mga upuan. Naku ba yung bag ko? Wala kasi mga upuan guys. Kaya nagtanong ako guys to confirm.
Oh my God, Mom,
Wala
it's
kasing
so
upuan.
empty.
Ito lang upuan. Oh.
Mom, it's so empty.
Yes. Maybe we're gonna go down later if open already. So, sirado pa kasi guys yung gate B3. So, walang upuan dito. Sa baba, marami. So, ayan guys. Aray ko. Dito man na kami. Kasi medyo mabigat yung backpack ko guys. Kasi ito nasa 3 kilos ito eh. Mainit. Sit down properly. Huh? Sit down properly. Gab, sit down properly. Parang nainitan na yun si Gavin sa damit niya. Excited ng bata. This is your first time? Travel in the Philippines? What a feeling? Excited? Excited daw siya guys. So, balikan ko na lang kayo mamaya guys, no? So, kanina guys, medyo na-stress ako kanina. Kasi, akala ko kasi, timbangin pa nila yung hand carry, buti na lang hindi. Kasi kung timbangin naman nila, itong dalawang hand carry ko na yan, tag-iisa kami ni Gavin, yung isa 6 kilos, yung isa 7
I
kilos.
feel kind of hot.
Yeah, that's good. Nakadala pala siya ng kanyang pan kasi mapawisin siya guys. Tapos itong aking backpack, nasa 3.5 kilos. Ito naman kay Gavin, 1.5
Now you have some too.
kilos, 1.5. Ay, okay, you manage yourself. I'm okay. Pawisan siya guys kasi mainit dito na area. So babalikan ko na lang kayo mamaya guys.
I'm so happy you got this.
Hi Dad, we are here waiting in the B3, gate B3.
And it's closed. We have to
Still
wait.
close yung gate pababa.
Well, we have
Still close the gate going down there, the B3 waiting area in downstairs. But still closed. So we are waiting here nearby in the door. Waiting the open. Ayan. Gavin, feeling hot. Yung bata dito. Bata dito daddy. Always complain already. Dia bilang kenapa ko non delay ito flight. Tengok. Dia baring sudah di sini. Dia bising sangat. Tambal sa nabili guys, nagisapot. Maunis siya guys, gisapot na bata guys kasi dili ang flight namin. Nag-request ng Starbucks guys. Wala kami ibang mabilhan dito kasi Starbucks lang ang merong open. Ay, muna ito take off. Muna ito take off. You can cool down back to your jacket.
The whipped cream?
Yeah, whipped cream. Enjoy your drink. Slowly, ha? Very cold for that one. What can you say to that?
Thank you.
Louder.
Thank you.
Thank you to who?
Dad.
Thank you, Dad. Ayan. Happy na ang bata, guys, nga gisapot. Ayan, gisapot na siya, guys. Kay, bakit daw na-delay yung flight namin. Tapos, nakakapagod daw maghintay dito. Gusto na niya magsakay sa aeroplano. Tapos sabi ko, hindi naman ikaw. Ang dami nga dyan. Oh, ang dami nila. Maraming na-delay. Kaya kami dito, higa-higa, upo-upo. Ito namang isa, guys, order ng order. Ano makita niya sa iba, magpabili din. Wala na talaga. Kawawa na talaga. Cold, slowly. Delay yung flight namin. Imbis na 11:20. Naging 1:30 yung flight namin ngayon. Ayan si Gabon. Maglalaro na lang siya ng handphone. Ako naman tayo-tayo lang. Hindi na madalag edit, hindi na madalag hindi na madala ng filter yung tsura ko. Kagard. Ang iba nakatulog na, sana all makatulog lang. Ay, ako hindi ako makatulog. Kaya ganito may kabata akong kasama, guys. Mahirap matulog. So, ganito yung sitwasyon namin ngayon pag delay. Mahirap. Sana wala nang delay doon sa next namin na flight. Wala nang delay. Yan. Grabe naman. Yan lang nakaupo. Kapagod mo travel pag ganito mag delay yung flight.
Mascot is not on the black thing. This one is fake. Yeah, I know because real clock has the mascot on the black thing.
Ouch! Alam niyo yung original na. Grabe, ito pati yung tatak ng mga books. Alam niyo kung original Peggy.
Ano yan? Marites yan eh. Napaka-marites yan. We are here in the airplane now.
Don't worry,
After waiting the flight namin. So ngayon 1:30. Dapat 11:20. Naging 1:30 yung flight namin in the morning. So sasakay lang namin sa airplane. Hey guys, we are safely landed in Manila Airport. Come on, look at here. Hello guys, Kevin sleep 1 hour only. Yan. So now we're going to take our luggage. Oh, hinihingal akong habang lakaran guys sa airport. Ang haba. Tulog, puyat mga person guys. Gavin parang naano siya sa na-amaze siya. Hindi pa nga siya nakalabas. Amaze na siya. Hold here na ko. There you go. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to Philippines, Gavin. The Malaysian citizen boy is arriving in Philippines finally. Ay. Pupunta muna kami doon sa aming luggage. No, karating din kami dito. Nakarating finally safety arrive in Manila Terminal 3. So now we're going to claim our luggage. So Gavin, what the feeling? Welcome to Philippines, Gab. Welcome to Philippines. Good morning, Daddy. We're right here in Manila already. Now we're walking the hallway going to claim our luggage. Okay. Gavin, say
I
hello,
just
Daddy.
realized something. My shoes are tired.
Oh, you tired?
I can't.
Guys, may bata ditong overwhelmed sa laro ng kanyang pamangkin, guys. O, pamangkin niya yan. Tito yan siya. Pamangkin ito. Pero itong bata ito, wala lang gana. Sa sobrang, na-overwhelmed masyado na may kalaro. O. Ganun ang resulta pag walang kalaro. Sa Malaysia kasi, wala siyang kalaro eh. Yame, you squeeze the calamansi on the noodles so that you can feel the sourness. Ako guys, lubat. Pero itong bata na ito guys, iwan ko saan niya kinuha yung energy niya. 1 hour lang yung tulog. Just put on the side eh. Puro siya tanggi eh. Ayaw kumain, ayaw uminom, ayaw matulog. Gusto niya, laro lang sila. Nagbahay-bahayan sila doon, di ba? Inagawan pa ako ng una na. Oo. Nasi? Ay, nako. Kawawang bata naman to. Ay, walang kalaro. Ay, siguro maghanap na ako ng kalaro sa Malaysia soon. Kasi na-overwhelmed talaga siya eh. Hindi na nakikinig. Lalo pag nagkasundo. Nagkasundo naman itong dalawa agad eh. Halata talaga kayong mga mga magtito. Na-eat properly, Gab. Gab, eat properly. You want the soap like Aldea?
You want to try it?
Bigyan ko siya, parang wala siyang gana kumain. Puro na lang you follow because I bring you, all of us will go to the moon. With Aldea, with Auntie, because Ate go to work. Mommy and you, okay?
What? I'm going. Wait,
Yes.
what about Angela?
Tonight, no need to go follow Mommy first, ha?
Where's Angela? Where's
You stay here, more safety here.
she?
You are more safety if you stay here. Okay? I just go to meet Tita Myra for a while.
Okay. Bring your phone. The
Yes.
phone that I use that.
Hi guys! Magandang gabi. Welcome back to my channel. Haggard pa rin ang lola niya. Ayan si Gabing kumain ng Filipino chicheria. Ayan. Amis na amis siya sa pagkain natin guys. Kaya yun oh. Diba? Nice? You like in Philippines? So you don't want to go back to Malaysia already? Ha? Natindan mo. Parang nagkuligsahan sa kain.
Eh, sabi ko, hindi naman talaga niya kaya sanang gawin kung hindi sa basura.
Good morning, Daddy. Breakfast Gavin is done. Hot dog, 2 pieces, fried rice. Coco? Auntie. Si Auntie. You see how, what you gonna say to Auntie? Thank you, Auntie, for cooking delicious food. Ayan, Daddy, oh, the egg. He put this. He put your favorite, the cheese. Yummy? Full? Okay?
Eat more hot dog. Eat more hot dog if you want.
You want more? You can eat more.